Hello, Holistic Hair Tribe. I'm Rebecca Gregory, Vice President of Simply Organic Beauty. Today, I'm so excited to bring you a revolutionary hair salon product called Paper Knot Foil. Researched and developed in New Zealand, Paper Knot Foil is the world's first reusable and degradable eco-alternative to hair foils and plastic wraps. Its core benefit is twofold. One, it helps reduce salon costs, and two, it helps reduce salon waste, both by the sustainable benefit of reusing. Paper Knot Foil is easy to use and clean, all without sacrificing performance and client satisfaction. Number 1. To use, cut the Paper Knot Foil into any size and shape needed. Cut shorter for all lengths of hair, especially around the face and the hairline area. Cut at a slant for customized sectioning. Number 2. Section the rest of the hair on the paper and apply the color or lightener generously. Once the color or the lightener is applied, fold the Paper Knot Foil in half and press together. Number 3. Paper Knot Foil can also be used as a barrier between colors and lighteners for open-air painting techniques. Number 4. Process according to the color manufacturer's instructions. Number 5. When the processing time is complete, slide the Paper Knot Foil out. Number 6. I highly recommend rinsing at the basin and air drying to preserve the integrity of the paper. But if you have to machine wash, simply add the used paper to the washer with a few salon towels. Then machine dry using low heat and dry for 2 to 3 minutes with a few salon towels. Be sure not to exceed 10 minutes though, as the paper dries quickly. And there you have it. Because it's made from recycled construction materials, you can reuse Paper Knot Foil several times without worrying about performance. To learn more about Paper Knot Foil, visit simplyorganicbeauty.com or hit the subscribe button below to get notifications. Happy coloring!